I'm here with Jessica Stephan, interior designer and Daniel House Club member.
Welcome to Mansion in May.
We are really excited to be here at Mansion in May, which is in its 50th year. So this is a show house in New Jersey that is put on by the Women's Association for Morristown Medical Center. This only happens every 2 years, so it's pretty awesome to be selected as a designer and to do a space here. We were lucky enough to support Jessica in her journey, and now we're here to see what you put together. So let's go take a look.
I'm Jessica Stephan. I'm an interior designer based in Chatham, New Jersey, and today we are at the Mansion in May, and we're in my bedroom, space number 32, Whimsey in Woodland. Whimsey in Woodland is a serene escape where a neutral palette meets playful elegance. With multiple windows framing the woodland just outside, the room is bathed in natural light, highlighting the warm, earthy tones throughout. Abstract wallpaper and artwork dance on the walls, introducing a whimsical element, a nod to nature's organic beauty. Plush textiles, layered linens, and lively fabrics create an inviting warmth, while dark accents provide just the right amount of contrast. These details add depth and dimension, keeping the design fresh while maintaining a serene, cohesive aesthetic. Whimsey in Woodland is a bedroom that brings a sense of brightness and ease, where modern design with a playful spirit meets the grounding beauty of nature. Here, you are invited to rest, recharge, and embrace the beauty of nature both inside and out. This is my first designer show house. I chose to participate because it's a great opportunity for my business. It's really for a great cause, and I'm really excited about the opportunity to network with different designers and vendors and tradespeople. The story of my design inspiration begins with my career journey. It wasn't until almost a decade of working in finance in New York City that I discovered my life's passion, interior design. I'm a very organized, methodical, and analytical person, but when I was younger, I was very creative, always doing arts and crafts with my twin sister. Today, I really align myself with both worlds, creative yet organized. It's a perfect combination because to be a great designer, you really need to have both of those things. What surprises me as I express myself in my new career is that my designs are actually quite playful and unexpected, much like this room. It's the opposite of everything that I need to be for 10 years while on Wall Street. And while I was inspired by my roots, I was inspired by the property, the nature of the woodland outside. There's a lot of organic elements in here. The unique feature of the stone wall allowed for earthy inspiration. The entire design process took about 8 or 9 months. I feel so lucky to be working with Daniel House Club because they just made everything so easy for me, from sourcing, ordering, and logistics. They have such a wide variety of products and vendors, and the customer service was so quick and personal. My favorite product in the room is definitely the Surya rug. It's 100% wool, so luxurious, the beautiful color, but then how it presents itself throughout, and then in combination with the light in the bedroom. It's a really expensive looking color, and all of them are. Advice that I would give to a designer participating in a show house for the first time is to be authentic in your design and in your personality. Be resourceful. The reality is that show houses are expensive, so make sure that you reach out to your tradespeople and vendors, and even new vendors who you haven't worked with, to create new opportunities. Take advantage of networking between vendors, tradespeople, new designer friends. It's an opportunity to create valuable relationships. And lastly, enjoy it. It can be busy and sometimes even stressful, but ultimately it's a good opportunity for your business and it's a lot of fun.